Welcome to Drive With Me UK. Today we will look at some amazing facts about Southall. Have you ever wondered how the vibrant town of Southall came to be? Today, we delve into its rich history. Our journey begins with Southall's humble origins as an early settlement, a tranquil rural village nestled in the heartland of England. Its name, derived from the Anglo-Saxon Sula's Hall, gives us a glimpse into its past, a testament to its Anglo-Saxon roots. As we move forward in time, we witness the transformation of Southall during the Industrial Revolution. The once quiet village was propelled into a time of great change and growth as industries flourished and the Grand Junction Canal and Great Western Railway became lifelines to the town. The factories that sprung up around these transport routes gave a new character to Southall, one of industry and innovation. Yet, the most significant metamorphosis of Southall was yet to come. In the mid-20th century, the town welcomed waves of immigrants from India, Pakistan, and other countries. These new residents brought with them a vibrant array of cultures, traditions, and flavors, which began to weave into the very fabric of Southall, changing its face forever. By the 1960s and 70s, Southall had transformed into a bustling multicultural hub. The streets lined with shops selling spices, saris, and Bollywood music echoed with the sounds of different languages and laughter. This vibrant blend of cultures led to Southall's affectionate nickname, Little India, a moniker that stands proudly to this day. Southall's history is not just a timeline of events. It's a tapestry of cultures and traditions, a melting pot of diversity that has shaped its unique character. The town's journey from a rural village to an industrial town, and finally to a multicultural hub, is a testament to the resilience and adaptability of its people. From a small rural village to a bustling multicultural hub, Southall's history is indeed a fascinating tale of resilience and diversity. Now that we've explored Southall's past, let's step into the lively streets of the present-day town, teeming with shops that reflect its multicultural character. Southall, often fondly referred to as Little India, never fails to impress with its array of shops. Each street corner presents a different facet of the world, with stores that range from traditional Indian sari shops to Pakistani boutiques. The air is filled with the aroma of exotic spices, sold in quaint grocery stores beside vibrant African food markets. But the diversity doesn't stop there. Polish delis are nestled comfortably in the same streets, offering a taste of Eastern Europe amidst the bustling multicultural town. The shops in Southall are treasure troves of unique items. Looking for a traditional Indian sari, intricately designed and vibrant in color? You'll find it here. Or perhaps you're in search of exotic spices to add a dash of flavor to your cooking. Southall's shops have got you covered. And let's not forget the unique trinkets that make for perfect, heartfelt gifts. These shops are a magnet for tourists, eager to take home a piece of Southall's rich culture, and locals looking to celebrate their heritage. Indeed, Southall's shops are more than just retail outlets. They are a testament to the town's multicultural identity. The vibrant streets echo with stories of diverse cultures intertwining, creating a unique tapestry that is Southall today. Now, imagine soaring above Southall, taking in the panoramic view of this vibrant town from the vantage point of a drone. As we ascend, the first landmark that strikes our eyes is the Gurdwara Sri Guru Singh Sabha, the largest Sikh temple outside India. Its majestic golden domes and ornate architecture are a testament to Southall's rich cultural diversity and its strong Sikh community. Next, our gaze drifts towards the bustling Broadway, the town's vibrant spine. From our bird's eye view, it resembles a colorful tapestry woven with a myriad of shops flaunting vibrant saris, glittering gold jewelry, and an array of aromatic spices. The Broadway is not just a street, it's a sensory journey that encapsulates the spirit of Southall. As we continue our flight, we find peaceful green spaces punctuating the urban landscape, like breaths of fresh air. These parks and gardens, with their lush greenery and serene ponds, provide a much-needed respite from the town's hustle and bustle. They are cherished oases where locals can unwind, play, and reconnect with nature. From our elevated vantage point, we can also catch glimpses of the town's residential areas, where the daily life of Southall unfolds. Rows of terraced houses, reminiscent of the town's historical roots, coexist harmoniously with modern apartment buildings, embodying Southall's blend of tradition and modernity. From above, Southall reveals a different facet of its character, a harmonious blend of the old and the new, the traditional and the cosmopolitan. Having journeyed through Southall's history, its vibrant shops, and its panoramic drone views, take a moment to reflect on what you've learned about this unique town. Consider the stories told by the worn cobblestones, the diversity mirrored in the shop fronts, and the myriad of perspectives offered by the bird's eye view. Ponder on the tale of a town adapting and evolving, yet preserving its cultural roots. Southall's story is a reminder of how a town can evolve and adapt while still retaining its unique character and cultural identity. It's a testament to the power of multiculturalism and resilience.